An incident caused a giant South Korean cruise ship to sink. The rescue team mobilized all manpower and resources, searching and rescuing tirelessly for 12 hours. Thanks to the team's extraordinary rescue efforts, 459 passengers were saved. Some criminals took advantage of the chaos to vandalize and loot shops. But unfortunately for them, today they encountered a truly brave man. The quick reaction of the man on the street saved the child from running directly into the car. Without him, I can't imagine what would have happened. This is a memorable experience for the mischievous boy. Thanks to the quick reflexes and extraordinary hands of the man, he saved the boy's life. And here is a real-life Captain America. He used his arms to hold the 3.5-ton truck before it touched the Porsche. There are many heroes in our world, and this hero bravely rushed in to stop a car that forgot to brake. This woman driver had a seizure in her car, and see how beautiful our humanity is. This motorcycle driver pushed the auto for 3 miles until he reached a gas station. A chain was formed by the compassionate hands of kind-hearted people to rescue 2 children who fell into a broken ice hole. Always keep an eye on your child. This teenager was fishing when he heard the desperate cries of a boy. The boy had been swept away by the water for over an hour and was in a state of panic. Thank you, David. You have done something truly wonderful for the child and family. Humanity is like that, always united and never leaving anyone behind. A cow was found with its head stuck between 2 tree trunks. The rescue team faced a great challenge as they had to simultaneously free the cow and contend with the protective instincts of the bull. Human garbage is always a nightmare for marine creatures. This turtle accidentally swallowed a piece of net, making it unable to breathe, and decided to come ashore seeking human assistance. And that was the right decision. Here's another example of animals exhibiting intelligence. This time, a whale approached a diver, seizing the opportunity to seek help in removing a fish hook from its mouth. Animals, like humans, also have goodness in them. Look at this dog trying to bring water to its friends. And here's a street festival. Upon hearing the siren of the ambulance, immediately a highway is opened. The girl, on her first trip here, was targeted by two thieves attempting to steal her belongings. This street-smart guy noticed the situation and intervened, offering assistance to the girl. With his assertiveness, the two thieves were forced to retreat.
Thank you very much.
While on patrol, this police officer noticed a bundle of grass obstructing traffic. He decided to move it himself. Very strong man with a good heart.
Attention juvenile officer, special attention, Boone County. Driving at 4 minutes to go, U.S.
An interesting story unfolds when this police officer temporarily detained the delivery vehicle of a traffic violator. However, he ensured that the delivery was not delayed. This is a touching and inspiring image. This female athlete has shown us a strength and resilience that surpasses adversity. For us, water may be something ordinary, but for them, it's their entire life. Thanks to the sponsors for making a meaningful difference in the world. In a cooking competition, this girl struggled to open a jar. And she remembered she had a reliable person to help with that. Here is weightlifter Matthias Steiner, who dedicated his Olympic gold medal to his late wife, a weight that he had never lifted before.
Respect between both fighters.
And after knocking down his opponent, this boxer temporarily paused the match and brought a chair for his opponent to rest. Behavior makes a great man.
Yeah, that is a really nice touch. Stackhouse, back to Kobe, runs over Michael.
This is when your opponent is your best friend. Greatness is not found in possessions, power, position, or prestige. Greatness is in your giving, understanding, and kindness. A baby bear was found when it got caught in a snare trap. Please stop setting traps. Animals have their own lives too.
Begin.
Let's see what kindness can achieve when we unite. Animals, as well as humans, they also have feelings, know how to love and share with their owners. You don't believe that? Look at how this elephant loves and pampers its owner.
Hello, how are you doing?
Congratulations to the parents for raising a little girl who respects others.
She wanted to bring you a bag full of goodies.
This boy is an orphan who was kicked out by his uncle. He's walking over 90 kilometers to his grandma's house. Knowing this guy bought food, clothes, new shoes, and some money. Then he rented a car for the boy so he could return to his grandmother. This is a big day, the day this university announced free tuition for all students. This old man lost everything in a house fire. But not quite. He still has caring neighbors. This father sold his beloved car to afford his son's university education. Today is his 81st birthday, and his son has gifted him back that same car. He never thought he would see that car again. Everything in this world requires assistance, not just people. A small step can also brighten their world. And see how one act of kindness from you can brighten someone's entire day. Wolves are highly vigilant creatures and are very difficult to tame. This guy discovered an injured wolf unable to hunt, so he brought food to it every day. Perhaps the first dogs were tamed in this way. After relentless search efforts following the storm, he finally reunited with his dog.
Glad he's okay.
This teacher just lost a cat that lived with her for 12 years, and today is her birthday. Her students gave her an adorable kitten. This is an emotional reunion of two brothers after 80 years of separation due to war.
Come on in.
This is the 102nd birthday party and friends at the nursing home.
Happy birthday, dear Laura. Happy birthday to you.
This boy dreams of becoming a referee. The Dortmund football team helped him fulfill that dream.
Your wife
Tracy. She is a sergeant in the Army right now in Afghanistan.
Absolutely.
Well, you went 0 for 3, but the good news is you still win a prize. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome.
This man could not have imagined that his opponent was his wife returning from the army.
Tracy Sweden!
Let's witness another sweet moment of soldiers reuniting. In life, kindness and sharing are not only cherished qualities, but also a source of inspiration and strength to help us overcome every challenge. Small actions with great significance, such as a smile, a word of kindness, or a supportive gesture, not only make the world a warmer place, but also enrich us spiritually. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to spread the spirit of unity and compassion together.